We've seen a lot of other educational platforms, whenever there's some sort of problem, maybe there was a bug in the system, or maybe they just deleted 1,000 courses. Whatever the problem is, we have seen a lot of educational platforms hide, and we try to contact them and they never ever say anything back to us. Or they say something very, very vague and it's not very helpful. We don't do that. We prioritize transparency, we prioritize communication. We do not hide when there is a problem. In fact, we believe that if there is a problem, we should approach you first so that we can get ahead of the problem and so that you don't have to accidentally stumble upon it. So that, it just builds a level of trust when we can admit that maybe we did something that we weren't supposed to do. Maybe we broke a feature, for example, or whatever the issue might be. And I can't actually think of any off the top of my head that would be a problem for us. But if anything ever comes up, we're not going to hide from it. We are going to work on it with you. We believe in working with you, not against you. We believe in building features that you actually want. As an online instructor, as an online teacher, we believe in building features that you actually want. And so we don't just use data to make those decisions, we actually talk to you about making those decisions, to see what you want to help build out your audience, to help reach your students in a new and innovative way. We believe in open conversations and transparency around how the platform works as well. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us, whichever way you want to reach out to us, and we're more than happy to answer questions. We also protect your privacy and your content. So we don't just collect data for the sake of collecting data. We're not Google, we're not Facebook, we don't need that stuff. And we especially don't need to collect extra data on you if we're having an open conversation with all of the instructors. We also don't believe in sub-licensing or relicensing your content or reselling your content. We are simply a marketplace and your content should always belong to you. So even all your content stays in your ownership. We're not, again, Facebook. We don't need to own all of your photos. We don't need to own anything like that. It's all yours. It always stays under your umbrella. We also want to build a platform that you are going to be proud to be associated with. So not just saying, oh, hey, I teach on so-and-so, but they actually listen to my feedback and they provide ideas and conversations around some of my suggestions. We want you to feel proud about working with us or partnering with us. That is one of our primary motivators. So those are just a few reasons why we think you should come and partner with us. If at any point in time you have any questions or you have a course that you would like us to help transfer for you, more than happy to help at any point in time.